recording, and the recording is on. So, all right. Once again, welcome everyone. It's Marcel here. In this webinar, I will talk about an educational topic, and afterward, I will break down the charts in depth. So, starting from the daily chart all the way down to the 1 minute chart, I will break down everything for you because it's required, because we had the swing breaker structure, but I will explain it later. Now we will focus on an educational topic. So the educational topic we are focusing on currently is the range sweeping concept, aka the AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution concept. And the reason I'm creating this educational topic video, I already broke it down in several recaps, but the reason I'm creating a separate educational video for this topic is because lots of you guys still don't know what range sweeping concepts or AMD concepts are, and you still don't know how to use it. And this came out in the quiz. So, we had like 3 questions about the range sweeping concept in the quiz, in the previous quiz that we made for you like a week ago. And still lots of you guys didn't know how to use it. More than half of you guys couldn't answer the range sweeping concepts right. So that's why I'm creating this video. That's why I'm creating this educational topic breakdown for you. So we will have a separate dedicated video and educational topic video for this topic, which you will be able to find anytime in the Discord channel, in the educational topic channel. So yeah, in this video, I will show you some more scenarios around the range sweeping concept and explain everything in depth. So first of all, this will be an interactive beginning because I will explain the concept here, and I will like to ask you to draw the opposite side here. But first, I will explain it. After that, we will take a look at some other scenarios, 50-minute and 1-minute scenarios too, and how to properly use it in live examples, for example. And yeah, here we are on the first example. Okay, so what is a range sweeping concept? What the range sweeping concept is? Or why do we call it accumulation, manipulation, distribution? Actually, it's pretty easy. If you think about the accumulation, what does accumulation mean? The accumulation means that market is collecting orders. It's stacking up orders, more and more and more and more orders, time by time, which is creating a range. And of course, that's the other reason why we are calling it a range sweeping concept. And that's why is it accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So the first part is the accumulation, right? Market accumulates orders. It's collecting more and more and more orders. So in the first phase, this is what we will call accumulation. I will circle it or draw a box around it and make it like, I don't know, yellow. And the yellow box will be 10% opacity. So the yellow box right here, this is the accumulation, where market is stacking up orders. So just imagine that price is creating a range, right? Meaning the accumulation is happening currently, giving up orders here, 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 meaning it's creating a range. There's a range because we can see equal highs, equal lows. Or if it can happen actually with a range, the trendline liquidity is also, where price is creating a trendline liquidity on the upside and downside too. So it will look like this, where there's a trendline liquidity on the upside, trendline liquidity on the downside. So it can look like this on this example and like this on this example. Both of them are ranges. And market is accumulating orders. So orders are getting trapped, meaning we can expect a sweep, right? What do you call manipulation? Manipulation is called when market manipulates the price into one direction. And it means that more orders will be trapped in, because that's why we call it manipulation. Because manipulation equals more orders are getting opened and more orders are there for the upcoming sweep, meaning those orders will be manipulated. All of the buyers, sellers, any type of traders will be trapped there. Any type of orders will be trapped in the manipulation, which means more orders are getting opened, more room for the sweep, more volume, more inefficiency, the bigger the movement will be. This is why we call it manipulation. And manipulation phase is right here. I don't know, give it a green color. This is the manipulation phase. I will write it here that this is the manipulation. All right. So as you can see, why do we call it manipulation? Because price manipulates the orders. We see that, okay, price creates a breakout structure to the upside. This high is getting swept out. Breakout structure happens here. All of the liquidity on the upside is getting swept out. So lots of the unexperienced traders, beginner traders will think that, okay, breakout structure has happened. Let me just find the breakout structure, the cause of the breakout structure, and it will be down here. Okay, here's an extreme demand that has caused volume because, for example, here's a volume and inefficient gap right here, and it just broke the structure to the upside. Perfect. I will open here. I will open an order here, right? So I'm setting a limit order here. This is what all of the unexperienced and beginner traders will think. This is why we call it manipulation. But in reality, price will sweep out all of the newly, freshly placed orders at this order block, because that's why we call it manipulation. All of the orders placed here will be manipulated, will be swept out with a movement. And that's why we call it range sweeping concept. On the other hand, because here's the range high, here's the range low. And here's a golden rule. When you see a range, it will be swept out sooner or later.